So I was sitting on my chair, watching on my laptop. I was watching this cool creator on YouTube who makes biology and engineering videos. But then I realized something. It's almost Chinese New Year, and I don't know what to make. So I looked to my right and I got a soldier. But still, I don't know what to make with the soldier. What am I supposed to make? This Chinese New Year is a disaster already. But then, I looked on the floor. Aha! A HONGBAO! I can make a super technological HONGBAO! Fuyo! Okay, maybe that idea was a bit too loud. Sorry. But still, I got to work.
金钱看齐，墙上写着“秦香莲的32岁了，装个当朝；驸马郎的齐君王啊，满皇上的会2岁了，装个当朝。”
So these are all the components in order to build this project. But these components might change over time, so don't take it for granted. The first one is the Arduino Uno, which is basically a motherboard, but it's bigger than the Nano, which we're gonna use if we can. And this is the fingerprint. The fingerprint is to, take our fingerprint. It's very simple. It's just to take our fingerprint. And this is a servo motor, which is basically a motor that turns 180 degrees only. And this is an LED bulb in order to make the build more flashy and more cool and more techy whatever. And yeah, but that's not it, because we also need the materials from our sponsor of today's video. So this is a message from our sponsor, PcbWay. PcbWay is a top-notch quality PCB manufacturing company that delivers high-quality PCBs, and they're really good with their price range, which is very affordable. So yeah, you better get one. You can get one from the link in the description below using my link, which, could support the channel some way. Please click the link. But anyways, PcbWay makes, PCBs, CNC machining, 3D printing, and way more cool stuff that you guys just gotta check out. So thanks PcbWay for sponsoring today's video, and hopefully you guys, check out their website because they're pretty cool. Anyways, back to the video. So for the plan and how the high-tech HONGBAO case actually works. Now, for the plan, we're just gonna go and do the CAD model first for the 3D printing, and then we're gonna get our Arduino Uno or the Arduino Nano, and then we just place the stuff inside, see how it fits, measure everything, and that's how we're gonna make the entire case. Now the case is gonna be look like a HONGBAO, but a box instead of floppy paper. So yeah, that's basically the case. And now for how it actually works. Well, for this we need to go to the explanation. Okay, so this is the explanation part, and now this is how it works. So how it works is that basically we're gonna have a HONGBAO, right? HONGBAO is like a paper flop, and it's like an envelope with a Chinese character in the middle. Let's make it more complicated. Yeah, I don't know how to write a Chinese character. Wait, hold up. Is that how you write it? Yeah, I think that's Tian. So this is a HONGBAO, right? Alright, so the box is gonna be like this. This is so basically this will be the motherboard, Arduino Uno or Arduino Nano. This is the fingerprint somewhere here, connected to a motor servo, which is here, and it's gonna go like this. This is a stick connected here. So when the servo turns here, when you press your fingerprint here, it's gonna turn like this, right? 90 degrees, and then the cap will be up here and the cap will be open. Now there'll be a compartment here, and then there'll be a compartment here. I'll try and make this hidden. There'll be a compartment here, and then there'll be the money. There you go. That's how the HONGBAO works. And maybe some LED beneath the money, and then there'll be holes, like a gap, so that way it glows from the side, so it looks cool. And that's how it works. Now all we need to do is make it with a little montage. So during the making of this build, there was a little bit of a problem with the sponsorship, and they couldn't really print the 3D print that I make, so I just instantly skipped to the system process of where I code the entire thingy, and yeah, I opened Arduino IDE and started coding. So yeah. So after that, I decided to just use cardboard instead, because like there was a lot of problems with the sponsor. So yeah, I used cardboard. We're back to caveman mode, guys, and it was pretty fun going back to my usual ways of building. But yeah, it's not gonna be looking as good as I want it to be, but it will do the job. So the HONGBAO box is practically done. Now we just need to paint it and decorate it, make it look good, and we're going to the showcase. So okay, so I'm safe in this safe spot. You know, the scientist was about to kill me, so my other self was about to kill me, but yeah, that was a pretty funny prank, and in conclusion, this build is pretty good. So, this build right here, pretty good. There's the snake, ear of the snake, but yeah, I really like this build. Like, this build is simple, but the only drawback is that we didn't use the 3D printed parts, because PcbWay have some problems with like the sponsorship thingy, and yeah, it didn't make it out. So well, at least they gave me the link, so I still have a problem with it. But the main point is that I don't think I'm gonna have another sponsorship next video, but you know, let's see where this YouTube stuff takes me. But